Well, it's day 391 of things I cut with my Bushcraft blades, Sweetwater Creek Senator, and I just have a Kefir bottle here. So let's cut straight through this, shall we? With relative ease, I might add, and these are rather thick bottles. I did hit the choil there. Because these are thicker bottles, I am being a bit more careful here. But that's gone round the bottle. Let's get into the neck a bit here and finish up, shall we? Now, like I said, these are thicker and tougher bottles. But I think that will do. If I can get the cut on the right angle. For day 391 of things I cut with my Bushcraft blades, Sweetwater Creek Senator.